Hello everyone, welcome back to StreamX Official. With the StreamX X1 Pro, we've integrated the most advanced voice command function, making streaming a breeze. Now, you can effortlessly search for any TV channels and video on demand by simply speaking to your remote, eliminating the hassle of typing on those tiny buttons. Plus, you'll get the best Google Assistant user experience. Before we dive into voice command, make sure to pair your Bluetooth remote with your StreamX X1 Pro. Check out our previous video to learn how to do this. Now, let's get to the most exciting part, using voice command to control built-in apps. First up is Echo TV. To use voice command, simply hold down the mic button on your remote and speak into it, keeping it close to the top of the remote control. For instance, say, TV, to open the Echo TV app. You can also try phrases like watch TV, open TV, or turn on TV. Once inside the app, continue using the mic button to search for any TV channels. For example, say NBC Sports Washington will take you directly to the channel. NBC Sports Washington. While saying ESPN will show 4 channels with ESPN in their names. With ESPN, then select the channel you want to watch. You can even search for TV channels without entering the app by going back to the home screen and saying something like Animal Planet in TV. Or ACTV. Simply speak the channel's name followed by TV or in TV. Now, let's explore Echo VOD. VOD. You can activate it by saying VOD or video. Within the app, you can search for movies or TV series by holding the mic button and speaking their names. For instance, say Mortal Kombat Legends. You can also search by a director's name, such as Steven Spielberg, and even narrow it down to movies directed by him. Moreover, you can search by actor or actress names. Try Jackie Chan. And there you have it. You can also search for videos directly from the home screen. For instance, saying Finding Nemo in video will do the trick. Finding Nemo in video. That's how you search for videos using Echo VOD. Next up is the Playback app. You can open it by saying Playback or phrases like Open Playback or Open Playback. You can also search for specific channels with the channel name, like NFL in Playback. Within the app, you only need to say the channel name like Disney Channel. To access the Google Assistant function with StreamX X1 Pro voice system, return to the home screen and hold the mic button. Then, speak commands like weather, Apple stock, or nearby restaurant to get relevant information. Explore more features by experimenting with different commands. Okay, let's try some of them. YouTube. Weather. Apple stock, or nearby restaurant. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below or drop us an email at info@mystreamxtv.com. See you next time.